This tea is the fastest way to lower creatinine and heal your kidney. Are you struggling with high creatinine levels and kidney issues? What if I told you that a simple cup of tea could be your game changer? In this video, we're diving into the world of powerful teas that can rapidly lower creatinine and rejuvenate your kidneys. Stick around to discover these 8 miraculous teas, learn how to prepare them, and find out how they can change your life for the better. But first, let's talk about creatinine. Creatinine is a waste product produced by muscle metabolism. It's a chemical byproduct of creatine, which is used by muscles to produce energy. Normally, your kidneys filter creatinine out of your blood, and it's excreted in your urine. However, when your kidneys aren't functioning properly, creatinine levels in your blood can rise, signaling a potential problem. High creatinine levels can indicate kidney disease or other conditions that affect kidney function. Now, let's dive into the science behind these teas, how they work to lower creatinine levels, and why they are so effective. Your journey to better kidney health starts now. 1. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea is not only refreshing, but also offers numerous benefits for kidney health. The menthol in peppermint helps to relax the muscles of the urinary tract, promoting easier urine flow and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Additionally, peppermint tea has diuretic properties, which can help flush out toxins and excess creatinine from the kidneys. Rich in antioxidants, peppermint tea also combats oxidative stress, protecting kidney cells from damage. Furthermore, peppermint tea's anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys, promoting overall kidney health. Drinking peppermint tea regularly can aid in maintaining healthy creatinine levels and support kidney function. To make peppermint tea, simply steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it hot or cold, whichever you prefer. Adding a slice of lemon or a bit of honey can enhance the flavor and add extra health benefits. So, the next time you're looking for a refreshing drink that also supports your kidneys, reach for a cup of peppermint tea. 2. Moringa Tea. Moringa tea is a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for kidney health. It contains high levels of vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Moringa is also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory compounds in moringa, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, help reduce kidney inflammation. Moringa tea also contains amino acids that support the repair and regeneration of kidney tissues. Its natural diuretic properties help in flushing out toxins and excess creatinine, promoting better kidney function. Incorporating moringa tea into your diet can provide comprehensive support for your kidneys. To prepare moringa tea, use dried moringa leaves and steep them in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can add a little honey for sweetness if you like. Drinking moringa tea regularly can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidney health. 3. Dandelion Leaf and Root Tea. Dandelion tea, made from both the leaves and roots of the plant, is a potent remedy for kidney health. Dandelion is known for its diuretic properties, which increase urine production and help eliminate excess creatinine and other toxins from the kidneys. The roots of dandelion are rich in inulin, a type of soluble fiber that supports kidney function and promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Dandelion tea is also high in potassium, which aids in balancing electrolytes and reducing kidney strain. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of dandelion help to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Drinking dandelion tea regularly can enhance kidney detoxification and improve overall kidney health. To make dandelion tea, you can use dried dandelion leaves or roots. Steep them in boiling water for about 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Drinking dandelion tea regularly can be a natural and effective way to support kidney health and lower creatinine levels. 4. Ginger Tea. Ginger tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a great choice for kidney health. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerols and shogiols, help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against oxidative damage. Ginger also has diuretic effects, which aid in flushing out toxins and excess creatinine from the body. Furthermore, ginger supports better digestion and absorption of nutrients, which can indirectly benefit kidney function. Regular consumption of ginger tea can help maintain healthy creatinine levels and promote overall kidney health. Its warming and soothing properties also make it a comforting beverage. To make ginger tea, slice some fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can add a bit of lemon and honey for extra flavor and health benefits. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine can be a delicious and effective way to support your kidney health. 5. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric tea, with its active ingredient curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant beverage that benefits kidney health. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from damage caused by chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension. Turmeric also enhances the production of antioxidant enzymes in the body, which combat oxidative stress and support kidney function. Additionally, turmeric has diuretic properties that help flush out toxins and excess creatinine. Drinking turmeric tea can also improve blood flow to the kidneys, promoting their overall health and function. Incorporating turmeric tea into your diet can be a natural way to support and heal your kidneys. To prepare turmeric tea, use fresh or powdered turmeric. Boil it in water for about 10 minutes and strain before drinking. Adding black pepper can enhance the absorption of curcumin, making the tea even more effective. Drinking turmeric tea regularly can be a flavorful and beneficial addition to your kidney health regimen. 6. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is not only vibrant and delicious, but also offers significant benefits for kidney health. Rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins, hibiscus tea helps protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. It also has diuretic properties, promoting urine production and aiding in the elimination of excess creatinine and other toxins. Hibiscus tea has been shown to help lower blood pressure, reducing the strain on the kidneys and supporting their function. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea can help maintain healthy creatinine levels and promote overall kidney health. To make hibiscus tea, steep dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it hot or iced. Adding a bit of honey or a squeeze of lemon can enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly can be a refreshing and effective way to support your kidney health. 8. Nettle Tea. Nettle tea is a lesser-known but highly effective remedy for kidney health. Nettle is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect and heal kidney tissues. It also has diuretic properties, which aid in flushing out toxins and excess creatinine from the kidneys. Nettle tea is high in minerals like iron, magnesium, and calcium, which support overall kidney function. Additionally, nettle has been shown to help reduce symptoms of urinary tract infections and kidney stones, further promoting kidney health. Drinking nettle tea regularly can provide comprehensive support for your kidneys and help maintain healthy creatinine levels. To make nettle tea, steep dried nettle leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy this nutrient-rich tea. Drinking nettle tea regularly can be a natural and effective way to support your kidney health and lower creatinine levels. Incorporating these 8 teas into your daily routine can provide a natural and effective way to support your kidney health and lower creatinine levels. Each tea offers unique nutrients and benefits that contribute to overall kidney function and healing. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nutrition tips and health advice. Thank you for watching, and take care of your kidneys.